Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox, install and set up the TP-Link Archer TXE72E, which is an AXE5400 Wi-Fi 6E PCIe adapter with Bluetooth 5.3. I ordered this from Amazon, and just to be clear, this is not a paid promotion or sponsored video. I picked this up because my desktop PC didn't have built-in Wi-Fi and running a LAN cable wasn't practical for me. The wired option also required an additional paid setup, so a PCIe Wi-Fi adapter like this made more sense. Adapters like this are used to give desktop PCs fast and stable wireless internet, and the two high-gain antennas help extend signal range and maintain strong speeds, even if your router is farther away. Now, before opening the box, let's quickly look at what's written on it. This is the TP-Link Archer TXE72E AXE5400, a tri-band Wi-Fi 6E adapter. According to the box, it supports speeds up to 2402 Mbps on the 6 GHz band, 2402 Mbps on the 5 GHz band, and 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. It also features Bluetooth 5.3, WPA3 Security, Windows 10 and Windows 11 support, a low profile bracket, and comes with a 3-year TP-Link warranty. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's included. Right in the top, we have the user manual and quick installation guide, along with some warranty and documentation papers. Next, we get an installation driver CD, which contains the required drives for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Here are the two high-gain external antennas, which connect directly to the adapter and help improve signal strength and coverage. This is the PCIe network card itself, which installs directly into a PCIe slot on the motherboard. We also get a Bluetooth internal cable, sometimes called a USB header cable, which connects the card to the 9-pin USB header on the motherboard to enable Bluetooth functionality. In the box, there's also an extra metal bracket. Let's take a closer look at the network card itself. On the front, you can see the two antenna connectors where the high-gain antenna is attached. On the edge of the card, there's a small connector for the Bluetooth cable, which links the adapter to the motherboard's USB header, allowing Bluetooth device to work properly. Overall, the build quality feels solid and well designed, and the compact size makes it easy to install even in tighter PC cases. Before installing the adapter, make sure the PC is completely powered off and unplugged. I'll disconnect all cables, place the case on a flat surface, and remove the side panel to access the motherboard. Now I'll locate on available PCIe 1 slot and carefully insert the TP-Link network card, making sure it's properly aligned and fully seated. Once installed, I'll secure the card with the retaining screw at the back of the case. Next, I'm connecting the Bluetooth USB header cable from the card to the 9-pin USB header on the motherboard. This step is required for Bluetooth to work. I'll now attach the two high-gain antennas to the back of the card and adjust their position for better signal and reception. Next, I'll insert the driver CD that comes in the box. From here, I'll install the Wi-Fi adapter driver first, followed by the Bluetooth driver. Once both drivers are installed, I'll restart the computer to make sure everything is applied properly. After the restart, I'll connect the PC to a Wi-Fi network, and as you can see, the connection is working without any issues. To quickly test the internet, I'll open a browser and go to YouTube, and everything loads normally, confirming the Wi-Fi is working correctly. Now to test Bluetooth, I'll go into Windows settings, turn Bluetooth on and connect my mobile phone. The device pairs successfully and the connection is stable. So both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are working perfectly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video or leave a comment if you have any questions. If you like to show your support and help the channel to grow, please subscribe to this channel, which will motivate me to bring out the videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.